grounds for the impeachment. Among them, our dear viewers, if I may just take you through, charge number 1 is on the gross violation of Articles 10, subsection 2A and B, as well as C, and Article 27, subsection 4, and Article 73, subsection 1A and 2 of the Constitution, as read together with Article 131, subsection 2C and D of the Constitution. The Honourable Member for Kibwezi has listed charge number 2 as gross violation of Articles 147, subsection 1, 152, subsection 1 of the Constitution, where he claims the Deputy President has been undermining the President and the Cabinet and the effective discharge of the national government, which is the executive mandate. Gross violation of the Constitution on grounds number 160, subsection 1 of the Constitution, on matters institutional and decisional independence of judges is yet another charge. This is charge number 4 in regards to this special motion. Charge number 5 pertains the gross violation of Articles 3, subsection 1, and Articles 148, subsection 5A of the Constitution on the fidelity of the oath of office. In the motion, the Honourable Member says that the Deputy President breached his oath of office and allegiance on account of utterances and actions attributed to his office, that is the office of the Deputy President, under grounds number 1, 2, and 3. Grounds number 1, 2, and 3 are gross violation of articles of the Constitution, and charge number 3 is in regards to the gross violation of Articles 6, subsection 2, where the member says that under the 4th schedule of the Constitution, the Deputy President has been undermining devolution. Well, apart from the 11 charges stated in the special motion this morning, the Honourable Members of Parliament who signed for the impeachment motion in their numbers, that is 291, have been listed in today's order paper this morning, technically indicating that the business of the consideration of this special motion, which will stand as a substantive motion this morning by Honourable Member for Kibwezi West, Honourable Mwengi Mutuse, will be ready for debate and voting today. Well, and to just take you through more in regards to this special motion that members of the National Assembly will be debating and voting on this morning, is that the standing orders of the National Assembly, according to the newly amended standing orders of the 13th Parliament, standing orders number 64, subsection 2 of the National Assembly, accords the House a number of 7 days to dispose of a motion after the notice has been given. We had the member for Kibwezi West giving a notice of motion in regards to the impeachment of the Deputy President, which was given on the 1st of October. The House has until today, which is the 8th of October, to debate as well as vote on the motion. According to the rulings by the Speaker of the National Assembly, the House requires 233 members for the charges to be upheld. So what we expect this morning is that we'll be expecting the tabling of the report of matters public participation exercise that was conducted on the 2nd and the 5th of October. Remember, after the House gazetted the 2nd of October as the day for public participation, we had an extension of 1 day, and we will be expecting that report that was presided over by clerks of the National Assembly across the 47 counties to be tabled this morning. Thereafter, the tabling of that report that will hugely inform the debate as well as probably guide members in regards to the manner in which the House will be voting for the motion today on a sitting that is set to take place from 9 a.m. up to midnight, which is has been listed as upon conclusion of this business, the mover of the motion will be called upon to move his motion. Honorable Mwengi Mutuse has been allocated an hour to move the motion and, so to speak, convince members in regards to the grounds that he has listed in the motion. Members of Parliament will equally this afternoon, as well as for the better part of this morning, be debating this motion. It has been allocated about 7 hours for debate by members. We'll also be expecting the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, to appear before the National Assembly plenary this morning as well as afternoon at a time appointed by the Speaker in his defense in regards to the 11 charges leveled against him by the member for Kibwezi West, Honorable Mwengi Mutuse. By the end of business today or before midnight, the House will have decided on the fate of this motion. We require about 233 members to vote to uphold the charges for the impeachment, and under Articles 145 and 150 of the Constitution, if the motion is supported by 233 members of the National Assembly, the Speaker of the National